Welcome YouTube. I hope you guys are okay. This is our weekly analysis where I go over, the markets for next week and what I'm looking at. I have changed a few things with my trading. I'm now looking at the 4-hour time frame as well as the daily. So there is a lot more to go over and plan and look at, which is kind of exciting because the daily time frame was getting a little bit boring. It's going through bit of a weird phase right now where the markets are a little bit slow the past few weeks in terms of daily level setups at least. So moving to the 4-hour, there's some really nice setups. So yeah, we're going to go over them. And also I've been playing around with my journal and I've done a bunch of new things with it, which is pretty damn cool. And I've posted that to the Discord. So all of those guys have it for completely free, which is cool. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. Let me just quickly post this YouTube link into the Discords. 1 second. YouTube, there we go. I can see you now. So if anyone has any questions in YouTube, feel free to whack them in. Shit. Oops. Post that there. Bink. Boom. Jump to present. There we go. Right, and we're fully good to go. YouTube is live. Discord is live. Got both chats open. Nice, Gimo. I changed my way to put entries. I refine and place higher target, so I have higher risk reward and need lower win rate to make money. Nice, nice. Did you do that instantly, or did you like test that first? So I'm like, for example, with the 4-hour time frame, I'm just doing a bunch of forward testing first. You can't really back test this strategy when it comes to the 4-hour time frame because it's based on alignment and flows. You can't really backtest that, which is a pain, but it is what it is. So yeah, right, let's get into it. So I took one trade last week, which was a 4-hour time frame. I'm testing 4-hour too. Nice, man. AR, are you trading MCR strat or are you trading your own strat? But yeah, I took GA cells. I took this cell right here. So oh, I also need to change these as well. I just realized that all my colors are technically different. I've made everything a bit darker because this is way too bright and I really don't like having these like obvious levels on my chart. So I've made it a little bit darker, as you can see. Well, you probably can't see, to be fair. There's not much difference, but you know. Anyway, GA has been consolidating all week. I took a nice little 4-hour trade, which was this one right here. The reason for this trade is, I mean, first of all, it's an all right level, 150 pips on a 4-hour time frame. It wasn't a valid daily level because, yeah, it's literally 2 candles. It's just a weird consolidation zone. But the reason I took this was on Tuesday. Pretty sure that's when we took the trade. Yes, there was Aussie dollar weakness. Yes, there was Aussie dollar weakness, and that was caused because of USD strength, I'm pretty sure. So if we go to GU, we should be able to see that pound US dollar should have been going down on Tuesday, I think. Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, there's that weakness. So we've seen USD strength on Tuesday, and that was obviously causing Aussie dollar to be weak as well because there was no news or anything for Aussie dollar, but Aussie dollar was super weak. So I'm guessing that was because of the USD strength. So logically, this is a decent 4-hour level. As you can see, it's got the level and it's got the ATR, and we've seen a pretty strong move into it. 120 pips within the past like 24 hours. Pretty strong move without any decent pullbacks apart from this one here. But I wouldn't have taken this trade unless those USD flows had stopped. And obviously, if we go to Aussie dollar US dollar now, you'll see what happened on Aussie dollar US dollar is those flows stopped. So where was it? Okay, here. This is it. Yep. Okay. Let me try and get a little. How do you trade with ATR? I'll show you in a second. ATR is just like an extra indicator when you're looking at levels. Like here's the ATR as well. Let's change it to step line, and let's make it. That is really thin. We'll make it super thick. There you go. And we'll do 3. So ATR is basically used when it's lining up with one of your levels. Normally ATR at least, you can use it as like overbought, oversold type thing. So As you can see here, ATR on the right hand side chart is here. It was here previous day, updates every day. New ATR is here. So if we see price come to this level, this is where beyond this price, then technically price is oversold, overbought type thing. So you more than likely gonna see some sort of a reversal from this level. So what we can use that, well, many people also use it to like trail stop loss, take profits, that type of thing. So you could have your take profits here. You could put your stop losses just below the ATR type thing. So there's normally a nice little pile of liquidity around these levels, which is why you'll see some sort of a reversal. But when you line it up with a nice level, such as you can see, this level here, that obviously gives double the confidence for a potential reversal from that level. So what I was looking at is, I don't know if we had a fib on this or anything. Let me have a look. Technically it's 61 fib, yeah. So this level here, I was eyeing out. Wow, that box literally does nothing. This level here, I was eyeing out, and here was USD flows. We had Aussie dollar weakness and USD strength. And what I was thinking is, well, if we see, this is the main driver, US dollar. So if we see US dollar potentially make a reversal from this level, then we're also going to see a reversal with pound Aussie. So wait until this gets to the level, and it tapped the level at the exact same time as GA tapped the level. So for me, I was completely happy with taking this trade. And if you have a look, it was a goddamn sniper entry. I entered at 0.35, 30 pip take profit. That isn't 30 pips. That's 30 pips. And it hit it within half an hour. No, it didn't. Tell a lie. It hit it within an hour, which was really nice. And it did a bit more. It did a bit of drawdown and then did even more. As you can see, it did what, like 60 pips. And if you look on the right here, let's delete all this. You'll see this level here made a pretty decent reversal. So this one here, price came to the level, boom. Beautiful reversal from that level twice. So that then caused obviously GA to correlate. And we also saw the move on GA. As you can see, did the exact same thing. We had 2, 3 tests. 2, 3 tests. Really nice. And then on this one, it broke the level. Did it break the level on GA? Let's have a look. Did break the level on GA. Perfect correlation between these two pairs. Well, inverse correlation. But yeah, that was the trade of the week, which was pretty damn nice. So yeah, that worked nice. Really nice. So you have to hit ATR. Not necessarily. It's just an extra confidence. So like how normally, you know, I won't look for a trade unless it has fib, you know, whatever, those type things. ATR is just one of those confidences. So if I see a level and ATR, that's a potential trade. Obviously dependent on market conditions and what stuff is doing. But on a 4-hour time frame, I would happily take a trade that has just a level, an ATR, and then if there's no news or, you know, drivers or anything, just has a strong move in. So for example, this trade here, if there was no fundamental drivers or anything pushing the markets, I probably would have just taken this trade just as it is. That's it, level and ATR. But because we had flows in place, I want to see some sort of alignment or some sort of indication that those flows are going to stop. And obviously, Aussie dollar is the main driver here. So we're going to go to Aussie dollar, US dollar. And Aussie dollar, US dollar stopped. And yeah. Yeah, so this week, what we're looking at, we can delete these levels now because that is gone. We had this second level on GA, which some people took on Friday, which, yeah, not for me, not after NFP. That is not my type of vibe. I'm okay, thank you. So the levels we have now, we have technically 2 4-hour levels. We have this one as well. So I am going to mark out my 4-hour levels as well. And I've changed from using, I was using the arrows. I don't know where they are. I used to use arrows anyway. Where is it? This one. I used to use these, but I don't really like that because you can't really, you can identify things. You can put like, you know, whatever, daily level, but it doesn't really stick. I kind of like how, see these ones on the right, see how it just sticks to the right. It like anchors. It's really, really nice. But the only thing is I have to add like 3 or 4 different lines. And I also want to know the close and the wick. And the reason for that is when I'm setting entries or when it's getting close to the level, it's rather than having to go back to the 4-hour or the daily time frame and check the size of the wick, I can literally just go, oh, there you go. There's the zone done, 10 pips wide, rather than having to switch time frames and stuff. So that one's the close. This one is the 4-hour wick. And then what I'll do is I'll just whack a nice little rectangle thing there. So you can see it. I think you guys can see it. Yeah, you can see the rectangle. And it's a lot duller than that one. That one was a bit too bright. Because imagine having 20 of these on your chart. It's just... I still like having my charts look nice. So that took me a while to play around with that. But yeah, we got 2 4-hour levels. I mean, that's more of a daily level now. Yeah, I'd class that as a daily level. So we can actually change this one up. Because price has moved away now, that is, yeah, definitely a daily level. And that is tradable on the main accounts. So if we do see a pushback into this level, that does look nice. Do we have a fib lining up with that or anything? Let's have a look. Yeah, technically we do. And we do have the psych level. So we got a little triple confluence there. We got the psych, the fib, the level. We technically got the EMA at the minute as well. So that could be a really nice level. I'm going to mark that out for a buy. We do have a big daily zone coming up, which is going to be a bit of an interesting one. I don't know what's going to... and if anything's going to line up there. Sorry, I forgot to read the bloody comment things, whatever you call them. The 2 wins right now with new entries. Nice one. My own, but daily I follow yours. Nice. Yeah, you should start giving a 4-hour go with my strategy as well. But focus on more like alignment things rather than focusing heavily on like the fib and stuff. Try and put more focus into like what the market is actually doing. So what I'm going to be doing every morning, I'll make a document for you guys. But I'm going to be each morning, I've got a little document and I'm going to write down what I expect for the day. So I'll do my little morning analysis at, I don't know, 8 a.m. I'll write down, okay, I'm looking for potential buys on this pair. So, you know, what you're actually looking at and then what the market is actually doing. So I'll also write down like currently seeing a bit of USD strength. We have some news later that may, you know, stop that strength. Potentially we could see alignment on J225 if this JPY new weakness continues, blah, blah, blah. Saw this overnight and this happened, blah, blah, blah. And then what I'll do is at the end of the day, I'll review the day. So what I'll do is I'll, you know, if I've taken a trade, I'll review the trade and write it down. But if I'm not taking a trade, I'm going to go over what the market's actually done. And I'll say, right, okay, so we had USD strength and then, I don't know, CPI data came out and it caused USD to be weak. And then this level held and this level held because this. So I'm just going to go over basically a full market review. I might post them. I don't know. Give me like, I mean, I don't really do that. So this is my, you know, first week of actually properly doing, you know, a daily review on the markets. So give me like a week to get into the routine of it and, you know, understand what to write down and stuff like that. And then I might create a channel in the Discord that I'll consistently post in. I won't just post in a week and then give up. And I'll post like my daily breakdowns, as in daily like reviews type thing. And I'll post every single one of them. Yeah, it looks like, here, let me get the document up. So it's just a few questions, that's it. I'll show you, 1 second. It looks like, second. This is pretty much it. So this is what it'll be, ish. So just a few questions. Fundamentals for the day. Just write down what fundamentals are coming out, like USD, CPI. Only high impact ones are ones you think are going to make a difference. Expectations / outlook for the day. So then this is going to be like I'm eyeing out USD JPY, could have alignment with Euro JPY. That's the trade. And then outlook for the actual market. Woke up, we had some JPY news overnight. It's caused JPY to go super bullish. I'm looking for this, and maybe we might see some USD strength. And these levels might Then what actually happened, obviously you review and write down what actually happened in the market that day. And then any lessons or notes from today. So, you know, you can put a big paragraph on what actually happened, but here you can put the lessons. So you can put pound Aussie reacts really nicely to levels when there's no news, or I don't know. Or, you know, you can put like any lessons you actually learned. So let's say something you did wrong, wasn't on the charts enough today. I need to build a better routine or something like that. So it's just basically a daily journal. And even if you don't use these and, you know, you write this down and you never look at it again, at least you get in the routine of actually understanding what the market does. If you can consistently build, you know, write a paragraph for each one of these, after a month of doing that, those paragraphs are going to sound pretty sophisticated, and you're going to, you know, someone will read that and go, wow, he really knows what he's talking about. And it'll just help deepen your knowledge. That's it. So if you see Aussie dollar, US dollar reacts to a random level, you've got to then look into that. Why did it react to that random level? Was there a reason? Was it because of news? Was it because of flows? Was it because bonds hit a certain level? Was it because some random news came out? You got to actually deep dive into that and understand why that actually happened, and that will help you so much in your trading. So this is what I'm going to be doing from now on. I'm going to make some edits to it, and I'll send it out to you guys. But this will help massively. If you can stick to this, it only takes what, 5-10 minutes in the morning, 5-10 minutes at night. And if you can stick to this, that's really good. So what we'll do, you know what? I think what I'll do is, damn it, it's already the 9th of June. I was going to say at like the beginning of the month, I'll send this document out to everyone, and whoever fills it in the most, as in like daily, for the next month, if you fill it 30 out of 30 days, I'll get you a funded account. Something like that. I don't know. Or we do like the top 3 people get a 10k account each, but you have to fill it in every single day. Just a 10k account or something. Nothing crazy. I'm not buying you a 200k account, bloody hell. Yeah, so I'll hold you guys accountable for it. We could do something like that, but I don't want to start in mid-month. That's so awkward. We could start at mid-month. Let me do a week of doing it myself. If you guys want to screenshot this and start doing it yourself, you can. But I'm going to do it for the next week. And then once I get into the habit of it and I know what I'm writing down, and, you know, it's better than just bullish, bearish, stop loss, then I'll send it out. And I'll do a video on it. Maybe next Sunday for the next weekly live stream. I might do it. So you get this from Discord. Yeah, this is all in the Discord. Yeah, all in the Discord. And then also I'm going to be doing a weekly review as well. So at the end of the week, I'm going to do a breakdown of how my trading went and stuff. Yes, make videos, explain everything. Yeah, I already have a ton of videos in the Discord, man. Should hop in. Anyway, yep. Right, let's get into it. So we have, obviously, you are making a challenge. Yeah, I think so. Gimo, you still need to start yours. You need to send me your Bitcoin address. I'm still waiting, man. You technically won your challenge too. Yeah, sorry, I'm not bothered. If you don't want to send it, that's completely fine. I'm not complaining. Just reminding you. So pound Aussie looking for sales from this level. Obviously, I don't know what's going to align. There isn't much aligning right now, so we'll just have to wait and see. We do have some daily buy here, 4-hour buy. So see how that goes. Doing giveaway today? No, not today. No. Challenge is the best way to learn. It is. Yeah, it is. This level has worked. This was a 4-hour level on pound CAD. Oh God, where has it gone? 1 second. If you have a look, you may not see anything here, right? So it doesn't look like there's any levels here apart from obviously this high. But if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that there's this. You had this, and then you had the daily. This level doesn't look like much, but it was almost, oh shit, no, it was over 100 pips. And that is what gave that reaction. So top of the level, candle close of the level. If you go to recent price, oh god, oh, it's because I'm in replay mode. Yeah. And there you go. There was the reaction. Look at that. It did 78 pips from the low of the level. It did 59. But this is a trade I was actually looking at because we had a really strong move in, as you can see. Had a crazy move into the level, 160 pips within like a day. But it missed by like 5 pips and did like 46. So that was a potential trade, but obviously that one missed, which is unfortunate. So now I don't really see that. You do have, I guess, the daily level, which is pretty damn big. It's a bit of an awkward one because it's so wide. So I probably won't go for anything there. You do have this level though. This is technically now classed as a daily level. Definitely classed as a daily level. So that's a good one for hopefully the main accounts, because it has been pretty damn slow. I'm really excited to start taking these 4-hour trades on my main accounts as well. Super excited. As long as it goes well. Still going to forward test for probably another, I don't know, maybe till the end of the month and then see how it goes. So far, 1 trade, 1 win. So we'll see if it carries on going like that or not. But if it does, and you know the stats are looking good, then I might start taking them with like half risk. I think I'm going to go back to 1% risk on most of my funded accounts now. Not now, soon. And then I'll go half risk with the forward testing ones. And then, you know, obviously if it does go well for a few weeks, then I'll then up it to, you know, just normal trades, 1%, 1%. Got some interesting levels on GJ. This is a 4-hour trade that I was looking for on Friday, depending on obviously NFP. It was 4-hour level and ATI. You can see ATI is that tiny little line there. And this was basically across every single JPY pair. It looked really nice. Yeah, but we didn't really see it. We do have this daily level, which is, I don't know. It's not really a daily. I mean, it's a daily level, but one candle, I wouldn't class it as a daily level personally. I'd more be looking at that as a 4-hour level. I'm not even going to mark it out, to be honest. It's tiny. I'd rather just not. I don't really like taking JPY pairs at the minute, unless there's like really nice alignment, which well, on the daily time frame, I don't really want to be taking JPY trades. 4-hour trades, yeah, sure. This was another 4-hour level, which, as you can see, tapped beautifully. Don't know if there was any like, was it ATR or anything here? No, not really. I don't know if there's any alignment or anything with that. I'm not too sure. We do have this daily level just below, which is a pain, because I think that's a bit of a miss now. I don't think that's a valid trade anymore, just because, yeah, we've hovered above. We missed by like, what, 20, and it's just hovered done like 70 pips. This is a big boy zone, a huge zone, which is not nice. I'd have to go to the 4-hour time frame and take a, you know, a better entry on that, because that is massive. 4-hour, even a 4-hour, it's because of that one wick, which did like 160. That must have been news, or I don't know. It must have been news, or like JPY intervention. It was at like 2 a.m, so it could have been one of the JPY interventions. I don't know if it had that much of an effect on pound Swiss though. Yeah, it's 100% news. But it's just such an awkward level to trade from, but it's also a nice level. So yeah, I'm not really seeing much on pound Swiss, to be honest. We'll just see how it reacts to this level. Pound NZD, again, this was NFP. I'm not taking it on NFP, sack that. We have 2 levels on the daily. This would have been such a nice level to take if, you know, NFP didn't come out, but it sort of ruined that. And it's sort of ruined this next level as well, just because of how close it is. So I'm going to get rid of all these. You can technically still class that as a... No, it's so close. No, it's too close. I wouldn't take a trade that close on market open. And then you got this daily level up here, daily level down here. So there's absolutely nothing on GN. GU does have some 4-hour levels. this is pretty damn close. Again, I wouldn't really want to take this on market open, so I feel like this is going to be an unlucky miss here. But we do have this as a new 4-hour level, which isn't amazing just because of how wide it is, but it's technically a 4-hour level. I keep on balls. Keep on clicking the wrong thing there. 4-hour close. There we go. And then we'll add another 4-hour wick. So that is the zone for the 4-hour time frame. This can be really nice though. Any USD pair can be so nice if you grab alignment with like DXY or bonds or US30 or S&P 500. Yeah, it can be a really, really nice trade. So I think all USD pairs are my favorite pair, to be honest. Because if you grab alignment with them, oh my god, it's like, yeah, there's so much confidence in the trade. It's a really, really nice one. So that's a 4-hour level there. Apart from that, you do have this big daily break and retest here, which was missed by a few pips on that first initial retest. But it could do a little something. I'm not too sure. I'm going to keep it there because we can use it for alignment. So if another USD pair or another pound pair comes down to a level and we see GU come into this break and retest level, then it can be used 100%. But I don't know. I'm not massively keen on it. And yeah, this 4-hour level is probably gone. And this one, I wouldn't take it straight away. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, GU nothing. Euro Aussie again. This level was a potential alright level, but oh, it already worked actually. Never mind. Ignore me. It's already worked. This does look nice. Daily level. I know it's one candle, but I don't think there's going to be any like fib or anything anyway, so it's a bit of a bummer. Let's see. Oh, it's that one. Okay, yeah. The one where the 61's like a few pips away. So if we see alignment with this, I will happily take it. Because you do have the psych just... I mean, actually, if you put that fib back on, I think you have a dodgy fib as well. If you have that one, yeah, you've got the 50. This one, you've got the 61, but then you also have the psych level, literally in between the level and the 61. So if you up the zone to like that, that's a good one. You do have a lot of confidences there, so maybe getting high entries on this could actually work. Yeah, I'm interested in that. I think that's nice. So I'm gonna set alerts. That could be potential. It would be nice if you had some sort of alignment with it though. Another Euro pair or Aussie pair or whatever. That would be good, but I'm not too sure if we will. You do have this, which is technically a daily level right there, but it's still, I'll put it down as a 4-hour level. It's alright, don't need to change it. Yeah, I like that trade. That could be nice. Mark sells on that. Euro Aussie, nothing's really changed. It just broke this level and pushed to around this zone. Yeah, there's nothing really there. You got this daily wick, and that's why it did 100 pips bang on. So I don't know. Let's see if anything lines up. Nope. And then you've got that. Nope. Nothing. Just got identity verification problem on my banner, so I'll send you the address tomorrow. Whenever. Yeah, all good, man. Yep, that's completely fine. Yeah, there's nothing really with this, is there? I'm looking at the duplicated trend line. I don't think there's going to be anything with that either. It's a bit of a weird one. I wouldn't really call it that. You could have that as a duplicated trend line, which definitely isn't going to line up with anything. And then you can have like that, which I don't know if I like either. That's not going to line up with anything anyway, so never mind. Wait, no, I was on the wrong card. It's all good. Yeah, nothing here on EuroCAD. Boring. Wow, boring. Euro Swiss. Let's hope there's a lot of 4-hour trades. I know some weeks there can be a ton. 4-hour, let's have a look. But like these levels, I'm not classing that as a 4-hour level. It is a level which is 36 pips. That one isn't too bad. It's like 60, which is miles better, but still, I don't know. I'm a little bit uncomfortable when it comes to actually picking these levels, because yes, it is a level and that's an obvious level in this time frame, but 60 pips, are you really going to get a decent reaction from that? Most likely not. You got the low of this wick, sorry, which could be interesting. You got this 4-hour candle close of that wick, which again is that Swiss news. Must have been Swiss news, surely. Yeah, no, I'm not really interested in taking a trade off that wick. So yeah, nothing really on Euro Swiss. Jesus. Euro JPY is the exact same as GJ. This is, I think, the trade I was looking for. It's that 4-hour level again with ATR. Yeah, apart from that, I'm not really looking for anything. I'm not really bothered about JPY pairs. I'm going to unmark that. Euro NZD. Fucking unfortunate, this one. It's so close to level. I can't take that on market open. I'm not going to. This one, though, is nice. So we're going to get rid of that. We technically do have... Ooh, 160 pips. Damn. You do have that as your daily level, though, which is... I wouldn't take that on my main account, so I just don't like that level because, you know, only done 2 candles. But that could be really nice. Yeah, all good, Gimo. Sounds good, man. You have a good week, too. Yeah, that's a nice level. And then you have this one here, which is interesting. So you have a few, to be fair. None of them line up with Fib. Okay, nice. Damn. Okay. What's wrong with taking a trade on market open? Well, if you think about it, the markets have been closed all weekend. And when the markets open, what do you think is going to happen? Markets close on a Friday. There's all that tension over the weekend. Something can happen. Blah, blah, blah. You know, let's say some crazy news has come out over the weekend. You know, bloody, there's been a bomb dropped on whatever. Then when the market opens, what do you think is going to happen? Okay, I'll answer it for you. You don't know. You don't know. There's no predicting what happens on market open. And normally you'll also see like spread will be a lot higher than normal. Market open. There'll just be crazy volatility. Weird spikes. And yeah, you don't know what's happened over the weekend. You don't know if some random prime minister dude has said this about his currency. And when market opens, boom, GJ drops 300 pips overnight. You're like, why the fuck did that happen? It's just not worth taking a trade on market open. Just wait until Monday morning. Markets are fresh. They've all settled from the weekend liquidity shit. There you go. Just come back refueled. Do you leave trades over the weekend? I used to, but not really anymore. I try not to hold trades over the weekend now. I mean, I would do if I was in nice profit, but I'd rather not. This is a absolute bummer, man. Was this a fib trade? Oh, that's a good trade. Damn. That was just a nice normal trade that I could have taken. You have a psych level as well. Did anyone spot this? I left one open. I mean, that's fair. That's fine. But on a prop firm, for example, if you're trading with a prop firm, it is not worth holding a trade through news or over the weekend. Not worth it at all. Because, first of all, you don't have a clue what's going to happen over the weekend. Yeah, for example, the president could get shot. You know? I don't know. Anything could happen. And the market will gap 500 pips. Even if the market gaps 50 pips. Let's say your stop loss was 30 pips and the market gaps 50. Not only is that 20 pips past your stop loss, you've then got to incorporate your broker's spreads. And if you're with a prop firm, most likely they're going to want to destroy you. So it'll do 100 pips. Boom, instantly broke the daily loss or whatever. It is not worth it if you're trading with a prop firm. especially if you're trading with high capital. If you've got a few 200k account, live 200k accounts, I'm not doing that. Fuck that. I'm not losing a 200k live account. Yeah, this EU trade looks nice, but yeah, it'll probably do the move market open. But again, I'm not taking a trade. So that would have been a really nice level to take a trade from, but obviously NFP sort of fucked it up. So annoying, man. That would have been a nice trade. Oh well, I'm gonna mark it out as a buy and just see what happens. No, you know what, I'll mark it as yellow. Apart from that, you have this level down here, big daily level, which is a 61 fib as well, but it is only 88 pips, but it does have potential. 4 hour time frame, we have some new levels. 4 hour close, mark that out. 4 hour wick, no, not daily wick, 4 hour wick. Like that. Nice. Yeah, that's about it. Aussie dollar CAD. Ooh, oh, it's a shitty consolidation level, isn't it? What is MNP? NFP? MNP? Did I say that? Or are you just asking what is MNP? I've never heard of that. Unless I said something weird and I said MNP by accident. NFP, okay. NFP is non-farm payroll. It's like the biggest news event that happens in the Forex markets. It happens the first Friday of every month. And it is basically... Jesus Christ, sorry. It's... Oh my God, get your words out, Leon. Jesus Christ. Why can't I speak? Jesus. It's jobless. I'm pretty sure it's to do with jobs. So it's... Why can't I get off this? Come on. I'm trying to get the definition up for you. Because that'll explain it better than me. Here you go. There you go. Change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. That's the one. And that basically has a massive effect on the markets. As you can see from this. So, you know, price is just chilling, doing its thing, have some nice moves, and then boom, off the cliff. Fucking off the cliff. I can't believe I couldn't get my words out then. Fucking hell. Yeah. So you don't want to be trading it. If you don't know what NFP is, you shouldn't be trading. You need to make sure you know what that is. Sorry if this is a basic question. As many basic questions as you want, man. 1 APS and 2 APS mentions loads in a journal. Is this area potential struggle on the 1 hour candle close for target? So yeah, so 1 APS is just, I mean, if you're, you know, taking a trade, you know, let's say we're, I don't know, let's go back. Yeah, let's say you're in a trade here, right? Yeah, I go to, to start off actually, yeah, I go to the 1 hour time frame to work out area potential struggle. Where is the first level? Let's say you're in a sell right now and you're betting on price to go down. Where is the first level on this chart that you think price could potentially bounce off? So price is coming down. Where is the potential area that price might go, nah, fuck you, I'm going up? Because I see it pretty obviously. It is, oh, there. Obvious level. First candle. So this is your first area that price could potentially struggle. So I mean, obviously this isn't really relevant because NFP came out and it went boom. But rather than just going, you know, 30 pips, or let's say, you know, your normal take profit is here. What is the point in putting your take profit here when price could come 3 pips away from your take profit and reverse? You may as well just put it here. So then if it does tap that in reverse, at least you've hit a take profit. And then, you know, 2 APS is just the second area. So here's your first. Oh, shit. Here's your first. And then your second could be maybe that. Or you could go this. Or that break and retest. It's entirely up to you. But I'll show you the example on like pound Aussie, the trade I took last week. Daily time frame. Let's go back to here. 4 hour. Okay, we're sort of doing a reversal already. Let's go back one more. So here we go to the hourly. I took a trade from 3.5. Okay, we need to go back even further. Oops. So here, this is where it's a difficult one. So that is my basic 30-30. I can see that there's some sort of level here. Obviously, there's some sort of movement. So this is where you can go a tiny bit lower. You don't want to go to the 1 minute time frame because you're going to be making up invisible levels. But for sure, there's one like here. As you can see, there's sort of this break retest level. So I know there's definitely one here. This could be my 2 APS. But I know there's some sort of level here. So you can just either do it on the hourly and go, you know what, I'll go this, or I'll go like this level. Or you can go down even further, go to the 15 minute. And now you can see, okay, right, now it's a bit clearer. You have 2 potential levels you can pick. You can either pick this like break and retest level, like here, or you can go a little bit ballsy and go here. This is the first level. And personally, I went here, but I accidentally put my take profit as 30. I didn't change it. But what you can do is you can also put it at the 1 hour candle. Oh, that's what I did. I put it at the 1 hour candle close just to be safe. And if you have a look what happened, you'll see that price went to that first one, reversed. So that was, I closed out at technically 30. So I closed out like literally here as it reversed, which was pretty lucky. It reacted off that first APS, went to back to break even, did a bit of drawdown, and then came back down and smashed second take profit. And see how it also had a reaction of that. Look how perfect that was. By the way, going down to the 15 minute, there's your 2 APS or 1 APS, whichever one you want it to be. And look at that reversal it does there. And it goes to the third one and does a little reaction off this. So they're super, super accurate. Definitely check. Journal is fire. Thanks, man. Yeah. For those that didn't know, I've added a bunch of new things into the journal. So this is the trading journal. It's only for people who trade my strategy. 4 hour on all the daily, whatever you want to do. As you can see with all the different conferences that we use. You have your different things. Back testing, normal journal, forward testing, 1 APS. You don't have to fill in like 2 APS if you don't use it, or 1 APS if you don't use it and you just use 1-to-1, then just do it. But it just gives you a bit more data. You can put a little lesson about what you learned from the trade, link, and then here's all the stats. The stats are fucking amazing now. So here it tells you the individual conferences. I'm gonna actually I actually need to add something to this. I need to add total trades. That's what I realized I didn't add. So I'm gonna add it, and I might resend out the journal. All you guys have to do is quickly copy and paste your trades into it. It'll take you like 5 minutes max. So every time I update it, it'll take you 5 minutes to transfer your trades if you really want to. You don't have to update it if you don't want to. But this basically tells you the individual conferences. So how many wins and how many losses have we had on daily levels? 5 wins, 1 loss. And what you can do is you can select the specific currency, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, daily level, 1 win, 100% win rate. Or you can go pound Aussie. And then also, if you scroll down, you then have the combined conferences. So this tells you exactly what you took on that trade. So we took a break and retest, 23 fib, ATR, and Forex align. They were the conferences for the trade. 1 win, 0 losses. And this will automatically update. So see how this is a 67%. Oh, wait, no. I need to get another one, actually. So let's pick. I don't know. So if I basically pick a new set of conferences that we haven't used before and it wins, then this 67% will get thrown off because it's, you know, not in the top 10. So if we go, I don't know, something with a trend line and it works, you'll see that that other one gets thrown off and the trend line is now in the top 10, 100% win rate. Super cool. Does it all automatically. And then you can see your best set of conferences. So once you've got like 100 trades on here, you can see your best set of conferences based on win rate. So you can see that at daily level, Forex alignment and a 23 fib has a 93% win rate type thing. Super cool. Then you have a bunch more stats here. Win rates, equity curves, stats for that specific pair, which pair has the most wins, most losses, best win rate. Then you have the stats for each pair's win rate as a nice little table here. Where is this Discord? Yeah, it's in the Discord, man. Might ask later about getting the pie charts and equity curves back. They're not showing, but might be my bad. So have you downloaded it and they're just not showing at all? Huh. How did you load it? Did you go on... I'm guessing you went to Sheets, went onto File, and then loaded it onto your Google Sheets. Oh, wait, are you on Google Sheets or are you on Excel? Because if you put it into Excel, it might not work. If you put it into Sheets, Let me quickly try it now. Let me quickly do this. We'll test it with you. Go into that. Go into upload. And then if I drag that file from my little channel, where was it? Mentorship. I'll download it. There you go. Oh, why is it downloaded it in this? Fuck off. Download it in this. There you go. Right, we downloaded it. And then what we can do is we drag it in here. Let's see. Should work. I don't know. It might be missing stuff. Sometimes it changes the background color. That's the only thing I've seen it break. Oh, it's because you've not got any trades in it. That's why. That's why it'll be. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Shit. No. Oh, God. It has. Oh, wow. Bloody hell. Why does it do that? All you have to do, by the way, is just quickly select it. Like this. Or, yeah, is it only done this bit? Okay. And then just go color. Done. Fixed. Oh, yeah. I see that. Yeah, it has, hasn't it? Huh. Oh, shit. Oh, why has it done that on every single one? That's so annoying. I tried, but I couldn't download the file. That's really weird. Huh. Why is it... That's weird. Okay. Right, I see what you're saying now. Let me check on this one that it's there, because this is the one that I sent out. Yeah, they're there on here. Yeah, that's odd. You could share the Sheets version, but lock down the permissions. So what people can then download it. As in like file, share with others. And then anyone with link can view. And then you guys can make a copy. Is that how you do it? Yeah. So if I send this link now, wait, shit, let me just make sure that, let me just make sure I'm not like, you know, anyone with link can view. Yeah, okay. So if I share that link, let me know. Can you then click that? Oh, why does it put it up in Microsoft Bing, whatever it is called? Microsoft Bing. So if I do that and then I send that up. Oh wait, I'm the owner, aren't I? Never mind. You let me know if you can then like copy it or whatever. Yeah, let me know once you've copied it and stuff. Let me know if all the things are there. If so, you have just saved me. Thank you so much. I am forever in your debt. Because that is a genius idea. And then I don't have to constantly download it and send it out. I can just have a link there. So you guys can just constantly have the latest version. Do you have it open in Sheets? Right, I'll let you two crack on with that whilst I carry on with this. Let me know. All good, as in it works. What pie charts are there? And equity curves. Yes! Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Helped me out massively. Perfect. Right, I'll send that out after. Fuck yes, that's good. Yeah, and that means I don't have to constantly send out a new version. I can just have a permanent link there. Beautiful. Nice. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. Right, Aussie CAD. Fuck that. That's we got like a 4-hour level technically. I'll mark that out. 4-hour close. We got 4-hour wick, and then obviously you got to, let's mark that out. Over 4-hour levels, I'm not really interested in. You do have this daily level, which is good for a potential 4-hour trade, but I'm not actually taking that as a daily level because it's 60 pips. Did you share the link? Yeah, just scroll up a tiny bit. You'll see it. It's in the voice chat. Yeah, I'm not really looking at Aussie dollar. God. Aussie Swiss. Nothing. You got like 4-hour levels, but 46 pips. No, I'm not even gonna mark that out. Aussie dollar JPY. It's pretty much at level. Bummer. That's 92. That is a nice 4-hour level though. Good thing with JPY pairs, 4-hour trades I think are going to be juicy. Just because like there's loads of little levels that I would never take as a daily trade, but all of these little 4-hour levels are like 100 plus pips. So yeah, that's a nice 4-hour level that you can trade, even though it's literally this daily candle. That's still definitely tradable. A strong move into it. You got a psych level, maybe some JPY alignment. It's a really nice trade. Yeah. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Yep, nope. You got it as a potential 4-hour level again, but nothing daily there. I'm really excited to start trading the 4-hour, as long as it goes well, of course. But actually being active in the charts, I'm excited to be. Like, I mean, I've had my resting period on the daily time frame, taking one trade a week and checking the charts like once every 2 days. But I've gotten bored now, I can't lie. And being able to check the charts like a little bit more often during the day is going to be so much more fun. And like having a daily review type thing, that's going to be fun as well. 4-hour wick. Got that level. That's a nice 4-hour trade. 99 pips. That's beautiful. Looking nice. It's a USD pair as well, so that's even more perfect because we can get some nice alignment with that. NZD CAD. We tapped into what? Oh, that daily level. Oh my god. Was there nothing lining up with that? That was such a nice level. Hold on a minute. I didn't take that. ATR and a tap into the level. Oh, it was news, wasn't it? Wednesday at 2 o'clock. Fuck. NZD CAD. June 5th. Wednesday at 2 o'clock. Oh, there was news. That was such a nice trade. Look at that. Tapped into the level. Beautifully. Tapped into ATR. There's another example of ATR being tapped, by the way. Literally to the pip. Look at that. To the pip. And did a really nice move. Didn't instantly work. It then did a tiny bit of drawdown and then worked. Damn. Well, that one worked nice. We can delete that now. Daily, not really looking at anything. 4-hour, you do have like a 45 pip level, which, I mean, I'll mark it out. No, well, I really don't want to mark that out. That's tiny. Can't be arsed marking that out. This is, I don't know why that's there. NZD Swiss, there is absolutely nothing going on there. That's 60 pips. Yeah, I'm not really going to mark anything there. Not taking a 60 pip level. NJ is pretty much already at the level. That's a Gunners now. Rest in peace. We do have this interesting 4-hour level though. It's a bit of a wide, weird, like little consolidation zone on the 4-hour. So it's not the most appetizing, but yeah, it could be a potential trade. NU is at the level right now, so I guess we'll see if it works or not. We do have that daily level which is formed, which is currently 110 pips. So yeah, it's a valid daily level, but I wouldn't take it yet on my main accounts because we've literally done a 1 candle move away from that thing. So I would be waiting at least a few more days for hopefully a potential retest. USD CAD. Not done it yet. Next trade. Next level. Next pair. That one. Yeah, we'll see what happens there. USD CAD. Did we have a break of these? Ooh. Yeah, that could be nice. We do have this daily level here. And because we broke those previous levels, I feel like this could do something. Just because we broke that. Technically, we've broken that now. I feel like this could hold. I wouldn't really, again, I wouldn't take it overnight, but if price chills and we see a tap into that tomorrow and we see some alignment or ATR or something, that could be nice. But worst case, I would happily go for this big level up here on my main accounts. Obviously, I'd want something to line up, maybe ATR and a nice move in or alignment, whatever. But yeah, that's a nice level. Yeah, really nice. And you have this weird little 4-hour level, a tiny 4-hour level, which, yeah, it's just I don't know what you call it, small. USD Swiss, you got a break retest, which, to be fair, that's not bad. 0.9. Oh my god, one sec, that could be a main trade. Hold on a minute. That could be a main trade. USD Swiss actually moves 270 pips. This level here is 169 pips. You have the fib, 38 fib. You have the psych level just above. And if we see potential like ATR tomorrow or something, that's actually, that zone, you technically, I mean, if you entered at the low of the level, let's say here, 8-8, that went 30-30. You've got a chunky amount in that. You've got also that wick. You've got also that wick. You've been eyeing out USD Swiss since last week. Nice. Yeah, it's a good one actually. And then you've also got this little break and retest that could hold. However, we're within 30 pips already, and I'm not taking that trade tonight. I'm not taking a trade on a Sunday night. Fuck that. Damn, that's annoying. That could have been such a nice trade. I don't know. If it just holds off tonight, then I'll take it tomorrow morning. Do we have any news tomorrow? Let's just go calendar. Oh, fuck. JPY news. Tomorrow's actually alright, to be fair. No, I'm not scared. It's just, it's just, I wouldn't take a trade overnight, and I know that it's probably going to piss about overnight. And just, you know, if it does this overnight, I'm not taking it. I want it to literally just stay still until I wake up and then do a move. I don't know. I wouldn't, if I wake up and it's done this type thing, or it's moved and done, you know, something like that, I'm not taking a trade. I want it to have a nice move in, out. So hopefully I wake up and it's done like that. No pissing about. Because, yeah, that's like a nice 70 move in. I just don't want it to do like a 30 pip reaction now. Yeah, that's really nice. Super annoying though. Wow. USD JPY. Well, let's see if that breaks actually. One more. No, never mind. USD JPY, that's technically a 4-hour level still. And then you have this secondary 4-hour level, which, I mean, yeah, it's a good 4-hour level. 4-hour wick. Let's whack that on. And then you've got like this 4-hour zone up here, which is 100 pips, which is a super shallow zone. 4-hour close. 4-hour wick. but it is again technically a valid 4-hour level, which could be definitely traded on JPY. Just in, out, boom, done. In, out, boom, done. That's it. CAD Swiss. There's nothing there at all. You got. I guess you actually do have that. It's only 90 pips, but I can't be asked marking it out. I can't be asked. CAD JPY is the same as every JPY pair. It's got this level. I don't know if it's of interest at the minute. Swiss JPY again, same level. Now we go into flows. Ooh, oh. This is what we like to fucking see. Come on. DXY, super fucking strong move. Straight into this level. Come on. Straight into that level tomorrow. Please. This nice little daily level here. Does it line up with anything? Is it like a little fib or something? Yeah, not really. Not really asked about that anyway. Nice level on DXY. So USD weakness tomorrow. Which is perfect alignment with USD Swiss. So we could see DXY alignment on this USD Swiss pair. Oh. Which could also align with this USD CAD sell. Which could also align with this USD JPY level. Which could also align with this EU buy. And this GU buy. I'm excited. Come on. Fuck yes. I love DXY. Fucking love it. It's just obvious trades. Super obvious trades, man. US 30. Boring as shit. US 500. Boring. UK 100. Boring. JT25. Show us some action. Go on. Go on. Go on. Oh, fucking boring again, man. Yeah, boring. Okay, so DXY is the one. DXY is going to give us some golden setups. Monday, Tuesday. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Golden setups Monday, Tuesday. SPX is S&P 500. US 500 is SPX. SPX, SPY, SP 500, US 500. All the same thing. Yeah, okay. And that is pretty much it. Let's quickly check gold. Damn, gold's dropped. You got some interesting levels. Break retest on gold. Let me actually do it from there. Break retest on gold. Another break retest on gold. And then you've got buyers on gold. Yeah, interesting. We'll see. We'll see. Nice. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god, look at... Fuck me. Look at the reaction it had on that break retest. Dink. Dink. Straight on it. Poink. Done. Right. That is me. Done. An hour and 10 minutes. Fucking hell. These analysis sessions are going to get juicy when I start properly trading the 4-hour time frame. I'm excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, we've got the journal looking clean. Thank you so much, Rex RG. I think this is the first time I've seen you in here, man. I think. I'm pretty sure. I think so. Don't know. But if you are trading at MCR strat and stuff, feel free to ask stuff in the MCR chat in here. This is where we hang out. So if you do want to learn, feel free to ask questions, post analysis, anything. And you, Ed, I don't think I've spoke to you before either, so welcome to the server, man. Yeah, hopefully we can all make money together. I also do mentorship live streams like once a week. Normally every Thursday, you'll see the events tab at the top of the server. And that's for pretty much anyone. If you want to hop in and we have a chat about your trading plan, the trades you've took last week, funded accounts, anything. Doesn't have to be the same strategy as me. Literally any questions, you hop in and ask me. Been trading for like 4.5 years now and I do it full time. So I can answer most of your questions. Ish. Did you upload last mentor? I feel like I didn't post it, but I've recorded it. Let me have a look. Shit. No, I don't post them on YouTube. Not the mentorships. I post them private. Weekly. Shit, one sec. Checking. Fuck, I feel like I didn't record it. Want to break down. Weekly. Want to break down. Wait, what? Where are the mentorships? 0205. You're telling me want to break down. I've recorded them and I've been posting them, but I don't know where the fuck they are. Apparently the last one I recorded was over a month ago, which is a lie because I'm pretty sure I uploaded one like a week ago. Oh well. No, I don't think I did. Sorry about that. I definitely record this week's anyway. Yeah, the weekly breakdowns are on my YouTube anyway. Anyway, YouTube, I'm gonna hop out before I carry on chatting rubbish. Thank you for hopping in.